Yes, be ready. Certain statements were made about the loss of foreign exchange and profit in the sales of tea stop. So long as the tea business was the monopoly of the Britishers, I have no doubt that was happening, but with the vigilance now exercised by the government, they are gradually being stopped, and I do not think that we can make that charge now stop. I feel, therefore, that in view of the present attitude and the laws that have been enacted and are being enacted from time to time, there is not the slightest chance of any monopoly being established, not to speak of such a monopoly, even if it exists for taking advantage of exploiting the people and the consumers. Stop. Therefore, sir, I oppose this resolution. Stop. New para. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, it was very kind of Dr. Singh to have brought forward this resolution, which gives ample opportunity to the government to clarify the various misgivings on this important question. Stop. I am glad to see that many friends on both sides have tried to contribute to this debate and have answered most of the points raised in the resolution itself. Stop. New para. Sir, we have see the economic history of the world in the last 2 centuries. It is the advent of industrial revolution which really placed in the hands of men such vast powers of construction that were not known to mankind before. Stop. The development of science and technology made all the physical, human, and organizational barriers non existent, making it increasingly possible for an individual or a group of individuals, for a large number of persons, to produce through their own efforts and efforts of others much more than what a normal human being can do. Stop. We see today that within a short span of 200 years, man's mind has devised powerhouses, nuclear fuel, and other things where hardly a dozen may control the generation of 2 million of power. Stop. That is a phenomenal growth, and this has naturally led to what Dr. Singh and many other honorable friends rightly said, a tendency for concentration of power and wealth, both economic and otherwise, into a few hands. Stop. Therefore, in the early parts of the 19th century, we did see in different countries in the world a growth of a system of society where some big houses and combination of houses started to grow with a large amount of economic power. Stop.